Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Axie Infinity Axie Genetics Breakdown. In this tutorial we will explore the world of Axie genetics and provide a comprehensive overview of how it works. Axie Infinity is a popular blockchain-based game where players can collect, breed, and battle creatures known as Axies. Understanding Axie genetics is crucial to creating a strong team of Axies and succeeding in the game. To start with, each Axie has a unique set of genes that determine its characteristics, such as its body parts, attributes, and abilities. These genes are inherited from the Axie's parents and can be passed down to its offspring. There are 6 different body parts that make up an Axie, including the eyes, ears, mouth, horn, back, and tail. The genetic system in Axie Infinity is based on a combination of dominant and recessive genes. Dominant genes will always be expressed if an Axie has one copy of the gene, while recessive genes will only be expressed if an Axie has 2 copies of the gene. This means that an Axie can have a hidden recessive gene that is not expressed but can still be passed down to its offspring. When breeding Axies, the genetic traits of the parents are combined to create a new unique set of genes for the offspring. The offspring will inherit a combination of dominant and recessive genes from its parents, which will determine its characteristics. There are several key concepts to understand when it comes to Axie genetics, including genetic purity, which refers to the number of identical genes an Axie has. Axies with high genetic purity will have a higher chance of passing down their dominant genes to their offspring. Another important concept is genetic diversity, which refers to the variety of genes an Axie has. Axies with high genetic diversity will have a higher chance of producing offspring with unique characteristics. To succeed in Axie Infinity, it's essential to understand how to breed Axies effectively. This involves selecting parents with the right combination of genes to create offspring with desirable traits. It's also important to consider the genetic purity and diversity of the parents to increase the chances of producing high-quality offspring. In conclusion, understanding Axie genetics is crucial to succeeding in Axie Infinity. By grasping the concepts of dominant and recessive genes, genetic purity, and genetic diversity, players can make informed decisions when breeding Axies and create a strong team of unique creatures. By following these guidelines and practicing good breeding techniques, players can improve their chances of success in the game and enjoy the world of Axie Infinity to its fullest potential.